Question number 1. What is the value of root 3, root 3, root 3, root 3, root 3, root 3? And options are first 3 की power 31 upon 64, second 3 की power 31 upon 32, third 3 की power 1 upon 64, fourth none of these. Let this value is equal to x. Now take square on both sides. We will get x square is equal to 3 square root of 3 square root of 3 square root of 3 square root of 3 and square root of 3. We keep doing like this until the square root disappear. Finally we will get x is equal to 3 की power 63 upon 64. So our correct option is none of this. Question number 2. P, Q and R scored 581 runs such that 4 times P's run equal to 5 times Q runs, which are equal to 7 times R runs. Find the difference between P and R. Options are 49, 105, 46 and 100. So for this question, let the runs scored by P, Q and R is 4P is equal to 5 into Q is equal to 7 into R is equal to K. This implies P is equal to K upon 4, Q is equal to K upon 5, R is equal to K upon 7. And given that P plus Q plus R is equal to 581, put the value of P, Q, R in terms of K, we will get K upon 4 plus K upon 5 plus K upon 7 is equal to 581. This implies K is equal to 980. Now put the value of K in P and R. So we will get the value of P is equal to 245 and R is equal to 140. So difference between P and R is 245 minus 140, which is equal to 105. This is important question. Question number 3. What is the unit digit in 6374 की power 1793 cross 625 power 317 and 341 power 491? And options are 0, 2, 3 and 5. While doing this question, we should have to learn some result about unit digit. These results are: first, when unit digit is 1 or 5, the number raised to any power will have unit digit 1 and 5 respectively. Second is, when unit digit is 4, then we have two cases. First case, if the number is raised to odd power, then unit digit is 4. If the number is raised to even power, then unit digit is 6. So for our question, the unit digit of 6374 to the power 1793 cross 625 to the power 317 and 341 to the power 491 will have the same unit digit in 4 cross 5 cross 1, which is equal to 20. So the required unit digit is 0. If a 6-digit number 53A29B is divisible by 88, then find the value of A and B. Options are 2 and 8, 8 and 2, 8 and 6, and D 4 and 8. So for this question, we will use some concept about divisibility. So for the number to be divisible by 88, it must be divisible by both 8 and 11. For the given number to be divisible by 8, the number formed by the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. That is, 29B must be divisible by 8. This implies B is equal to 6. So for this question, we will use some concept about divisibility. So for the number to be divisible by 11, the difference of the sum of alternate digits starting from the unit digit and the sum of alternate digits starting from the tens place digit must be either 0 or a multiple of 11. That is the number difference of 3 plus 2 plus 6 and 5 plus a plus 9 is either 0 or a multiple of 11. This implies we will have two cases, either 14 plus a minus 11 is equal to 0 or 14 plus a minus 11 is equal to 11. Clearly it cannot be 0 as a cannot be negative. So 14 plus a minus 11 is equal to 11. This implies 14 plus a is equal to 22. This implies a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 6 is our answer. Question number 5. The price of commodity X increases by 40 paise every year, while the price of commodity Y increases by 15 paise every year. If in 2001 the price of commodity X was rupees 4.20 and that of Y was rupees 6.30, in which year commodity X will cost 40 paise more than the commodity Y? And options are 2010, 2011, 12 and 13. So price of X increases by 40 paise every year while price of Y increases by 15 paise every year. In 2001, given that price of X is equal to rupees 4.20 which is equal to 420 paise and price of Y is equal to rupees 6.30 which is equal to 630 paise. Let the number of years is equal to t. According to the question, 420 plus 40t is equal to 40 plus 630 plus 15t, which is equal to 25t is equal to 250, and we will get t is equal to 10 years. Current year is 2001, so after 10 years x to be 40 paise above the price of y. So year is 2011. Now we will discuss some number series questions which are also important for UPSC, bank, PO, SSC and other competitive exams. So first question is, what is the next number after 5, 12, 23, 50, 141? So now we will check the pattern of this, and the pattern is the difference between 5 and 12 which is equal to 7 and 12 and 23 which is equal to 11, and the difference between 23 and 50 which is equal to 27, and the difference between 50 and 141 which is equal to 91. And again we have a new series which is 7, 11, 27, 91. Again we will check the difference between 7 and 11 which is equal to 4, and 11 and 27 which is equal to 16, and 27 and 91 which is equal to 64. So now we have a pattern which is 4, second number is 4 into 4 which is 16, third number is 4 into 16 which is 64. Now our fourth number will be 4 into 64 which is equal to 256. So after adding 91 plus 256 we will get 347. So our next number is 141 plus 347 which is 488. So our correct option is 488. Question number 7. What is the next number after 7, 13, 25, 45, 75? As you can see the pattern, first number is 7 and second number is 7 plus 2 into 3 which is equal to 13. Third number is 13 plus 3 into 4 which is equal to 25. Fourth number is 25 plus 4 into 5 which is equal to 45. And fourth number is 45 plus 5 cross 6 which is equal to 75. So our desired number is 75 plus 6 cross 7 which is equal to 117. So our correct option is 117. Question number 8. What is the value of question mark? Where 4, 11, 19, 41, question mark, 161. So now we have to check the pattern of this question, and the pattern is first number is 4 and our second number is 4 cross 2 plus 3 which is equal to 11. Third number is 11 cross 2 minus 3 which is equal to 19. Fourth number is 19 into 2 plus 3 which is equal to 41. Fifth number is 41 into 2 minus 3 is equal to 79. And fifth number is 79 into 2 plus 3 which is equal to 161. So our desired number is 79 which is our correct option. Question number 9. Our new series is 4, 8, 21, 59, question mark, 314. You have 10 seconds to solve this question. As you can see, this question is same as question number 6. So do it by yourself. Question number 10. What is the next number after 11, 6, 5, 9, 16? And the answer is first number is 11. And our second number is 11 cross 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 6. And third number is 6 cross 1 minus 1, which is equal to 5. Fourth number is 5 cross 1.5 plus 1.5, which is equal to 9. Fifth number is 9 cross 2 minus 2, which is equal to 16. And our desired number is 16 into 2.5 plus 2.5, which is equal to 42.5. So our correct answer is 42.5. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel VGR Solution for more interesting video. And please do follow us on Instagram UPSC Math GK. Thank you.